Yes, we did it. We hit 900 subscribers in the end of the month, and I'm happy and thankful na ano natin ito na abot kasi I didn't expect that I could reach 900 agad. I'm very sorry guys kung nagsuot ako ng kasi gusto ko lang kasi matulog but I forgot to make a video about how to thank you all sa nag-subscribe, sa may nagtiwala sa akin, and I didn't come this far without you guys, without you. And I'm very thankful, syempre kay God. I'm very thankful din sa kanya because he gave me the energy to make some videos kahit minsan ngayon sa like mostly sa December kasi wala akong halos upload because I'm too kasi December was like a party thing kasi birthday ko, and then there meron din kasi event dito sa amin and some Christmas and birthday like that. And I'm very thankful sa inyo lahat, sa mga nag-subscribe talaga. Wala akong masabi masama. And thankful din sa thankful. I'm very thankful all of you and sa certain person dyan na nagpaano din sa akin like kahit sabihin natin hindi tayo okay ngayon, I'm very thankful nandiyan ka dyan tinulungan mo ko like in my darkest days like past few days nahirapan na ako mag ng content but really I did. And kita nyo the Black Fruits community, I'm thankful sa inyo din kasi without hindi ako nang mabot sa 900 subscribers din but yun nga, and sorry sa mga hindi ako nag-upload ng reaction videos. I think next year next year na kasi naman is January na, so I think I would post some more reactions instead of Black Fruits. But I will still continue Black Fruits naman. But guys, I'm very thankful sa mga lahat sa akin. And man, I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry, guys. Hindi yan. Parang kasi sinisave ko to for the most memorable. I think it's gonna be 1K. 1K talaga. Sa 1K talaga ako like it's gonna be the blast sa 1K kung aabot naman tayo next year. So I think kaya natin maabot kasi 900 with this in this year. Wow. Oh my god, it's kind of crazy. Kaya crazy kala ko kasi hindi tayo maabot ng 900 this year but wow. I'm very I'm very happy guys. I'm very happy and wow. I'm I'm suspicious guys and very sorry kung hindi ako nag-upload palagi. Sana naintindihan niyo naman because I don't have any good PC kasi I wish I could have a PC in this room para dito lang ako gumawa. And you can see here yung mga toys ko, flashy toys of Pokemon. I want to make a room for my room para dito lang ako mag kada gabi dito lang ako mag make some videos like that but it's kind of hard naman but yun nga so minsan kasi kapag doon ako sa shop hindi ako makafocus kasi so many customers coming to my shop and hindi tayo makagawa ng maayos so that's why timing ko lang, okay, timing ko lang. I'm very sorry kung sa mga summons just the Deep Drama Legends that didn't happen because of I don't know, because of a screen record. The screen record ko is like it didn't save capture because of how low storage I am. Very sorry kaya nag-delete lang ako ng mga some videos na hindi naman importante o some files na hindi importante dito sa phone, and I'm very sorry for that. Yun na guys, and wow, it's a grabe talaga yung journey ko like the past like 12 months dito sa amin and YouTube, like on those 12 months it was a roller coaster, parang up and down. When I first got to 500, okay, when I got to 500 is unbelievable. Then I got to 600. I said wow. I get to 700. I said wow. I get to 800. Sabi ko, oh my god, 800. I think we could get 900 like in the end of the month, and we got 900 in short amount of time. Like I never got that, you know, 500 subscribers I got in this year. It's like crazy, crazy ride, naman. And wow, I'm quite surprised, guys. I'm quite surprised, and it's it's a most this year's most memorable talaga. I will never forget 2024 because 24 talaga is like parang doon ako talaga nag-grind. So this year's gonna be memorable talaga for me, and of course not for me but for you too, guys. And yun nga, and uh, my goal in 2025 to reach 1K and to do better. To do better din. Kasi hindi naman ako ngayon kasi I think I'm not better yet. So my goal is to be better. To be better YouTube content for you guys and to be a better person then for me also. But guys, maraming salamat talaga sa 900 subscribers. I don't know what to say na ma-repace inyo. If I had a good choice of words that to said to you all, I'm I'm very happy, guys. I'm very happy and speechless at the same time, guys. But thank you all. Thank you for the 900 subscribers. Thank you talaga. But guys, yun nga, this is the last video of the 2024. Masabi ko lang is Happy New Year, guys. Advance Happy New Year. So guys, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host Dan, and see you in the next video. Bye.